SK International was approached to engineer and build a pilot line for a product line or motor launch for a US-based OEM. The following tools were produced and certified. Offline table. The engine block and the crankshaft of the engine are placed on fixtures on the offline table to install dowels on the engine block without damaging the critical surfaces on the engine block and crankshaft. Dowel Insertion tool. The dowel insertion tool is used to install different diameter dowel in the engine block. The tool has a urethane cap to hold the dowel and prevent damage to the engine block during insertion. Main bearing caps hook tool. The MBC hook tool is used to remove the already installed main bearing caps to install the crankshaft in the engine block. The tool has a hook that locates under the bearing caps on the sides. A slider hammer mechanism helps to remove the bearing caps from the block. Main bearing cap tray. The MBC tray is used to store the bearing caps after they are removed using the MBC hook tool. The tray features an engraved numbering system to ensure that the MBCs are placed in the correct order. Main bearing cap vacuum tool. The MBC vacuum tool is used to remove any debris in the lower bearings. This is done to ensure that no foreign contaminant affect the performance of the engine. Crankshaft guide tool. The crankshaft guide tool is used to guide the crankshaft into the correct location without damaging the crankshaft during installation. Main bearing cap template. The main bearing cap template is used to guide the bearing caps into position without damaging the engine block during installation. Main bearing cap hammer. The main bearing cap hammer tool is used to insert the bearing caps into the engine block. The bearing caps are guided into the engine block with the crankshaft guide tool. The MBC hammer tool is placed on the bearing caps and tapped with a mallet to install them into the engine block. Oil jet installation tool. The oil jet installation tool is used to install the oil jets into the block. This tool features a pneumatic extension to torque the oil jets into position. Crankshaft Key Install tool. This tool is used as a guide to install a key on the crankshaft. The tool has a small slot in which the key is placed, and a pneumatic hammer is used to insert the key. Bronze alloys were utilized for part-touching details to prevent damage to the crankshaft during insertion. End plate check tool. The end plate check tool is used to check the lateral displacement in the crankshaft after crankshaft subassembly has been completed. The tool features a mechanical gauge to measure the deviation of the crankshaft. This check is performed to ensure the crankshaft and related components are installed correctly. Subscribe, like and follow us on YouTube, Facebook and LinkedIn. Thank you.